What's up, we're Kansas React. I'm Steve.
I'm Jude.
And welcome to Reaction. That is like a plethora of people.
Yes.
Combo.
An interesting collaboration.
An interesting collaboration
between idols.
Idols, yes.
Past, present, future.
They're all in different different labels as well, and yeah.
This is the Pepsi and something collaboration. Pepsi.
All right.
Remember,
okay.
Yeah. Pepsi.
So we got Rain. We got three from MONSTA X.
Shonu, Hyungwon, and I Am,
and 2 from ATEEZ, Hongjong and
Yunho, and 2 from Brave Girls, Yoojong and Yuna. Now
we don't know any from Brave. We don't know the Brave Girl idols,
so we don't know what they look like.
Yes. Yeah. Just let us know in the comments, guys. Let us know. Let us know if you want us to react to Brave Girls.
Yeah.
Let us know as well. But yeah, before we get into reaction, super excited. Super intriguing.
Gonna be interesting. Summer taste.
Please watch our previous reactions to
whatever you want.
Yes.
Whatever you want. Just browse our channel, look at them, and if you watch any of them and you enjoyed them,
yeah, hit the like, comment, and subscribe.
Yep.
Here we go. I think this is gonna be a summer bop because this is a summer taste.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Starting off.
Okay, so this is. Oh, it's Pepsi. Okay. Oh.
It's so weird, right?
Yeah.
It's like with the younger ones.
Yeah. Oh, what's up, Let's go.
Oh, Hyungwon. Is that all of them at the back? Oh, I Am's like, I don't know, chillness. I like it.
Yeah. Shono, he's here because of his dancing, I bet.
Oh, Hongjong, he's got short hair.
Yeah. Oh, here we go. There's no subtitles to this one.
Pepsi, summer. Oh, nice.
It's a bop.
I like the colors, man. The vibe is like.
Are they all in the same room?
Some of these look like just backup singers or backup dancers.
So we've got okay, some of the idols are here actually.
Yeah, I think in one shot they were all in one shot.
Okay.
In this one. Yeah, they're all in this one. Yeah. I'm pretty sure they're all in this one. Social distancing as well.
Yeah.
Or maybe. Yeah.
Let's go, I Am.
Maybe ATEEZ is not here.
ATEEZ is not in that shot.
The bleacher one.
Yeah. They're in this one.
What's up? This is like an advert.
Yeah. Oh. Yes, go.
Oh my god, this Hongjong, I Am.
There's a contrast between the rapping because one is obviously like high pitched. High-pitched machine gun, and one is lower.
Yeah, this is like the duet or collaboration we never know we needed.
Yeah.
Ooh, it's short but good. Oh, it sounded like an ATEEZ song.
Yeah. Oh, here they are.
Is that all of them?
Oh no, wait.
No, this is just ATEEZ.
Just ATEEZ. Interesting.
Oh, ATEEZ and Brave Girls. Maybe obviously there's too many of them, so it's scheduled quickly.
Okay, they're gonna be all in one.
Oh. Rain with the shiny leather pants.
Yeah.
Ooh.
They're wearing blue because it's Pepsi.
Oh my gosh, their outfits are so good.
Yeah. Oh, it's like a
club.
it's a club song, yeah.
I can see it as a club song, yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
Ooh, okay. We're so danger.
Oh. I wish they had more
Where's
brave
your
girls.
danger? I know, yeah.
I wish.
There was like
A little
they
bit
had
of them,
lines in the chorus.
Yeah, they had
But-
some lines.
But it made it sound different because they're all like guys.
Yeah.
So
I wish, yeah. But anyway, it was good.
was
It was
good,
good.
good,
Collaboration.
good song.
I wonder who came up with the
Who-
dance. I think it's probably Rain and Shona.
I wonder who instigated this
Yeah,
collaboration.
it's Rain. I don't know. It's probably Rain.
And Pepsi.
Pepsi and Rain. Rain is like, I want these people.
Yeah, this.
Yeah. Ah man, that was good. That was good. That was good.
Good.
Yeah, let us know, guys. This is obviously like different fandoms over here. You know,
Yeah, I know.
you have all the different fandoms here. But yeah, let us know. Let us know. We have Rain's fandom, Rainism, and Mon Bebes and
ATEEZ.
Yeah.
And I don't know what the Babe Girls fandom gonna hold.
yeah. But
Let
also,
us know,
we're
but-
keen to know.
Yeah, all you guys have come together. I'm sure you're proud of this.
Yes. But yeah. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed our reaction, guys.
And if you guys did,
Like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks very much for watching. We enjoyed that video
very
and
much.
we will see you guys
The next reaction video.
Peace out.
Stay safe.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.